What if I told you there's a coding agent that runs in your terminal, edits your entire codebase on command, uses over 100 different AI models, and costs you absolutely nothing? No API key, no monthly subscription, no hidden limits. It's called FreeBuff, and in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let's go. So, what exactly is FreeBuff? It's the free version of CodeBuff, a terminal-based AI coding agent that reads your entire project, understands your architecture, and makes real code changes based on your plain English instructions. No graphical interface, no browser extension, no IDE plugin needed. You open your terminal, navigate to your project, type FreeBuff, describe what you want, and it handles the rest. It's fully open source with nearly 4,000 stars on GitHub, and it works on macOS, Linux, and Windows with WSL. Here's the obvious question. If tools like Claude Code and Cursor cost between $20 and $40 a month, how is FreeBuff actually free? The answer is simple: text ads. When you're using FreeBuff in the terminal, you'll occasionally see a small sponsor message at the bottom. Think of it like a newspaper model. You see a low-key ad, and in exchange, you get the full tool for free. No tracking, no data selling, no paywalled features. They're not training on your code either. You can verify every single line. It's fully open source. This is not a limited trial. This is the whole thing for free forever. Here's what makes FreeBuff different from just asking ChatGPT to fix your code. It's not one AI model trying to do everything. It's a coordinated team of specialized agents. First, the file picker agent scans your entire project and finds exactly which files are relevant to your task. Then the planner agent thinks through the full strategy. Which files need changing, in what order, and why, before touching a single line of code. Next, the editor agent makes precise, surgical edits across multiple files at the same time. And finally, the reviewer agent validates everything, checking for errors, ensuring nothing breaks. On top of those 4 core agents, you also get 5 more specialists: a browser use agent, a code reviewer, a deep thinking agent, and more. The result? FreeBuff scores 61% on real coding benchmarks, compared to 53% for Claude Code. Free wins, and it's not even close. Installation is genuinely 60 seconds. First, make sure you have Node.js version 18 or above installed. You can check by running node-version in your terminal. Then, install FreeBuff globally with one command: npm install-g FreeBuff. Navigate into your project folder, type FreeBuff, and you're in. It scans your project automatically on first launch. No configuration needed. Requirements: Node.js 18 or higher, macOS, Linux, or Windows with WSL. No API key, no account registration, nothing else. That's genuinely it. Let's talk about what you actually get. 9 specialized subagents out of the box, covering everything from code review to browser automation to deep reasoning with extended thinking. Support for over 100 models through OpenRouter, DeepSeek, GPT-5, Claude, Qwen, Llama. Switch anytime, no platform migration required. A custom agent builder where you can write TypeScript agent definitions and create your own specialized workflows with the FreeBuff init command. 2 to 5 times faster context gathering compared to alternatives because it uses fast models specifically for the file picking step instead of burning expensive tokens on it. And an agent store at codebuff.com where you can pull community-published agents, Git committers, PR drafters, code reviewers, plug and play. All of this for free. Let me show you a real example. I asked FreeBuff, Add rate limiting to all my API endpoints. Watch what happens. The file picker agent scans the project in about 1 second. It finds 8 route files and 3 middleware files. The planner agent decides the approach. Install Express Rate Limit, create a new middleware file, and patch the auth and API routes. The editor agent creates the middleware file, applies a limit of 100 requests per 15 minutes on auth routes, 50 on the API routes, and updates the package.json automatically. Then the reviewer agent validates everything. No errors, nothing broken. Total time, 12 seconds. 4 files modified, 47 lines added, $0 spent. The only thing you'll see at the bottom is a small text sponsor line. That's the whole price you pay. FreeBuff is the best free coding agent available right now. And it's not an opinion, it's a benchmark. It beats Claude Code. It beats tools that cost $40 a month. It runs 9 specialized agents, supports over 100 models, and takes literally 1 command to install. If you're paying for a coding assistant today and you haven't tried this, you're throwing money away. 1 command. Open your terminal, type npm install-g FreeBuff, and start coding with AI for free. If this video saved you money, drop a like. It helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one.